Hey friends, let's jump straight into this awesome song, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts. And for the song we have an odd tuning, so tune your E string to D, your A string stays the same, your D string stays the same, take your G string down to F sharp, the B string down to A, and our E string down to D. So let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for our intro, open B, second G, second D 2 times. Then just go open B, open G, second D 2 times. And repeat that passage through 2 times. Then go back to open B, second G, second D 2 times. Then go second B, third G, second D 2 times. And play that section through 2 times. Again. Then we're just going second B, G and D, and best off just barring with your first finger there 2 times. Then go 4 on the B, 3 on the G, 2 on the D 2 times. And do that section 4 times there. So. And 4 times there, and that's our intro. Now our verse is just exactly the same as the intro when we play it through 2 times. Let's do that once. And we do that whole section through 2 times, and that's our verse. So for our chorus, we're continuing from the last 2 chords we played in the verse. So second B, G and D 2 times. And then 4B, 3G, 2D 2 times. And repeat that twice. 2 times. Then go back to our first 2 chords again. Open B, second G, second D 2 times. Open B, open G, second D 2 times. And we repeat that twice. And again. Now we're going to come up here, we're going to play 9 on the E, 9 on the A, 7 on the D, 8 on the G, and you can include the open B here and just 2 down, so down, down. Take that same shape, drop it back to 4E, 4A, 2 on the D, 3 on the G, and we're going to do a down, up, mute, up, down. So. Then just slide up to the 11th fret, so it's the 11 on the E and the A, 9 on the D, 8 on the G. We're going to do a down, down, up. Now one guitar just plays the open A, D, G, B and E, and the second guitar goes back to our first two chords 2 times again. And that starts when our first guitar strums the open strings there. And that's our chorus. So for our bridge, and this comes straight after our chorus, we're just repeating the first 2 chords of the chorus again. So second B, G, D 2 times, and then 4 B, 3 G, 2 D 2 times, and just play that 8 times there, and that's our bridge. From there we just go back to our chorus, and it stays exactly the same. So for our solo rhythm, we're going to play the open A string, 9D, 7G, 7B, back to 7G, 9D in 2 times. Now this chord shape's pretty much going to stay the same through the rest of it. We're going to play 3 on the E, 5 on the D, 3G, 3B, 3G, back to 5D. Move up 2 frets and do exactly the same thing. Go back to the first fret, do the same thing. Up to the 3rd fret, do the same. Then we're going to play 5 on the E, play 5, D and G, hammer onto 7 on the D, 6 on the G. Play the 5 E again, and then back to 5, D and G. Then our shape's going back the same again, except this time 10 on the E, 12D, 10G, 10B, 10G, 12D, and do that 2 times. Back to the 6th fret once, up to the 8th fret once, 3rd fret same, 5th fret same, and then finish 7th fret on the E, play 7 on the D and the G, hammer onto 9 on the D, 8 on the G, 7 E and back to 7 on the D and the G. And that's our solo rhythm there. From there just go back to the verse and just play it through once. From there just go back to the chorus. Now this time we're going to repeat our last 2 chords 5 times. So 5 times there, and then just end on the open A, D, G and B. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Sailing Guitar Lesson by Christopher Cross. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.